I just want to play the stupid Pokemon game. Alright, we're here in Nihonbashi. We're gonna try to see the early cherry blossoms. We'll see. Carol fell off. Okay, I've quickly come home for about 2 hours because I got a phone call that said that Saga was going to be delivering a mirror I ordered, like a big mirror, like a big heavy mirror. So I had to be here for that, obviously. So they're going to come any moment now, between now and 6. I didn't know Saga could deliver like big furniture because I live on a walk up, like I don't have an elevator. So I don't know how they're gonna deliver it. Maybe there's gonna be 2 of them. I don't know, I feel kind of bad. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna wait around for that. I don't know what to do. As soon as I stopped filming, he came. Guys, it's so big. Like, I'm just standing. It's taller than me. And it's heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out of here. Oh, the guy is really nice. He put it there for me, and then he said, "Omoi no de okiyotsukete kudasai." Yasashii kata nan desu ne. I need to figure out how to move it in here. I'm gonna try my best. I think I'm gonna change outfits because I'm going to Shin-Okubo after this, which is like Koreatown here. And the outfit I'm wearing, I mean, you saw it, like this is what I'm wearing. It does not fit the vibe of Shin-Okubo. It did fit the vibe of Nihonbashi where I was earlier, but yeah, I think I need to change now that I'm home. I'd feel really silly going to Shin-Okubo dressed like this. Okay, I'm gonna change and move the mirror in here somehow. With much effort, I've got it out of the box. It's heavy, but it's not like impossible. It's just really big. Okay, I haven't looked at it yet. Let's all pray that it's not broken. Or this is not gonna be fun. Okay, oh, the big reveal. This was like $350 with shipping. So it's kind of expensive, but I think mirrors are just that price. Yeah, okay, it was worth it, yeah. You guys, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, it's so nice. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna move it to its home. Okay, it's kind of slaying. Ah! 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 See? Wait. Look at yourself. Look how beautiful you are. Ah! I have so much garbage, wait. Oh, guys, it's like littered all over the apartment. There's some in the hallway over there too. I'm very happy. Wait, I'm gonna clean up. Okay, I managed to consolidate. Oh my god. How do I show you? I consolidated my garbage into that. It's actually way bigger in real life than it looks on camera, but that's a problem for next week, Allison, because there's no garbage tomorrow. But look at this mirror. Oh, but look at this mirror. I'm so happy with it, actually. It's so nice. It was a little expensive, but mirrors are a real pain in... They're a real pain to get rid of. In Japan, like, they cost a lot of money, I think, to throw away because of the glass. So I decided to splurge on one that I pretty sure I'm never gonna throw away as long as I'm in this country, unless I run into a ton of money or something. So this is my new lifelong mirror. Everyone please be kind to it. I think I can take cute outfit pictures here now. Maybe I should put like the Pokemon or something on the floor. I don't know. We will see. Okay, wait, that's cute. Okay, good enough for now. Okay, I think I'm gonna play the new Pokemon game for, I have like an hour, no, not even an hour, like half an hour until I need to go to dinner. So I'm gonna play Pokopia. It's so fun. I'm so glad I bought the Switch 2 when I went back to the US this Christmas, cause yeah, it's really fun. And I'm gonna sink so many hours into this game. Okay, aside from Pokemon, something else I'm really into lately is marathoning anime. And I have the biggest anime watching hack for you guys, so get ready. Made possible by today's sponsor, NordVPN. If you haven't heard of it before, NordVPN is a VPN service that protects your private and personal information online, so you can browse the internet safely, whether it's at home, cafe, the airport. And here's where the hack starts to come into play. It lets you change your IP address. So you can choose what country you want to access the internet from. So I've talked before about how you can use NordVPN on your computer, on your phone, but did you know you can also use it on your TV? So I have an Apple TV, right? And I've downloaded the NordVPN app, as you can see, which means I can change my TV's location directly. I can watch Crunchyroll, I can watch Netflix, and the hack I've recently learned is if I go in here and I change it to Singapore, for example, I can then watch the Muse Asia channel, which legally has tons of anime available for you to watch for free. Right now I'm watching this. It is way better than it looks, don't judge me. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, I encourage you to try it out for yourself risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee through this QR code on screen or through my link at nordvpn.com/AllisonInTokyo, where right now every purchase of a 2-year plan gets an extra 4 months free. 4 more months of anime. So thank you NordVPN, and now it's time to get going. The outfit's really tactile. I got way too into playing the game. And I'm gonna late. Yabai.
This is prettier.
That's cute. She lost. She lost BTS too? Cheers! This is stressful.
Look, it's kind of matchy.
Oh yeah.
Shin-Okubo. Shin-Okubo.
Please stand clear.
I impulse bought this. It's so big. It's the San Billboard magazine. I wanted it when it first came out, but it was kind of expensive. I think in Japan it was like 3,000 or 4,000 yen. I don't know, but I saw it in the store for 1,800 yen, so I bought it. Also, the store people there were super nice. They were like 18y, and they were so nice. And then we went to a restaurant, me and my friend, and the people we sat next to were also 18y. There's not that many 18y guys in Tokyo. I don't know what's happening. Like the 18y population in Japan is much smaller than the other big like Stray Kids, 17, you know, that kind of thing. Way smaller. So I don't know what happened, but they were like opening albums at their table and they gave my friend an extra Hongjin PC they pulled. So nice. I love liking K-pop. It's so fun. And I meet so many people. I don't know. Okay. And right before I left, the Sakura guy came back and he delivered my vacuum. My first ever full-size vacuum. I guess I'm gonna have to get rid of my little handy one. I think this one can transform into a portable one or whatever too. I don't know. Okay, I need to build that. I just want to play the stupid Pokemon game. Like all I think about is just like, I wish I was playing the Pokemon game. So That's my life right now. Oh, pinwheels. Aw. Super windy. So windy. You want to be in the vlog? Okay, I am back home. Why does my hair look? It's like so curly today. I don't really know why. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, I'm home. I only went out for a few hours to see some cherry blossoms. They were actually very nice. I actually have a lot to do, but okay, I'm gonna clean up a little bit around here. It's 3:30 right now. I need to clean. Taxes are due next week. So there's that. And yeah, I just have a lot of stuff to do. I do still want to get a new fridge. This fridge situation, I want to get a new one a lot, but it costs a lot of money and I have to pay my taxes this month, which means I can't buy it until I can put it on next month's credit card bill. You guys know the struggle. So yeah. Here's my new vacuum. It's a vacuum. Sorry, ignore the undershirt.